Sure it was.
Jess, come here. Jess, come here. Good girl, come here. Come here.
Good girl. Look at you.
That one's from before,
Yeah,
right?
no, it is not the one. Okay, Jess, go.
Good girl, Jess.
Yeah.
Oh, was that one shot?
Probably, yeah.
Got him this morning. We got a bird coming up, boys. That bird comes out, I'm gonna throw this phone on the ground to shoot. It's gonna drop it. There it is. Javier, you having a good time?
You better believe it.
Good. Don't we have a great guide?
The best.
Beautiful dogs. Always a pleasure at Indian Creek. Always. Oh, they don't mess around, man. Get ready, man.
Bird has no other cooking to plug it. Just run through it, you know? Oh, yeah? Yeah.
You're on camera, Gus. You gotta hit it.
You ready? It's right there. It's right there.
Ahí está.
Right there.
You ready? Here they go, Javier and Gus. There it is, guys. Come on. Yeah! Javier, Gus. Great job. Great dogs. Great guide.
You like that through the tree shot, huh?
I saw that. Javier is just
Yeah, baby.
awesome. Good job, boys. Good job.
¿Cuántas veces disparé?
That was awesome.
I thought it was gone. I give it up. Way.
So did I.
What did I say? I gave him a chance, and then I had to shoot it.
Get that bird, girl. Get that bird.
All the way over there, right?
That was awesome. Javier, good job, man.